Hi, third graders, and welcome to your health lesson. We are going to be starting on page 36, and we're going to learn about different vitamins that we find in certain food groups. We have already learned about different food groups and why they're beneficial to us, but let's learn specifically what makes them very healthy for us. Let's go straight to the vitamins. Let's go ahead and start with vitamin A. Vitamin A is important to your body in many ways. Vitamin A is found in foods that come from animals. Good sources are liver, salmon, trout, cheddar cheese, egg yolks, and butter. Dark green vegetables and deep yellow or orange fruits and vegetables contain a nutrient that your body changes into vitamin A. In addition to the vitamin A that you get from animal food, you need to eat at least one dark green vegetable, one deep yellow or orange vegetable, or one deep yellow fruit at 2 different meals each day. Good choices would include carrots, spinach, oranges, and bell peppers. When you do not eat enough vitamin A, your hair may become dry and lose its shine. Your skin may feel dry, bumpy, or itchy. Your eyes may hurt in bright light, and you might have trouble seeing at night. Scientists think that food rich in vitamin A can even help prevent cancer. Now let's take a look at some check marks about what vitamin A does for us. It helps keep your skin healthy and smooth. It helps you see well, even at night. It helps the development of bones and tooth enamel. It helps protect your body against colds and infections. And now let's go ahead and take a look down here. Let's see if we can find foods that contain good sources of vitamin A. Remember, salmon would be a great one. Down here, a dark green spinach, another excellent source of vitamin A. Over here, we've got protein in the form of eggs. Next, we have cheddar cheese, and it has to be specifically cheddar cheese to find vitamin A. And lastly, we have cantaloupe over here. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our next vitamin, vitamin B. There are 8 different B vitamins. The B vitamins work together and are needed by every part of your body. You can see their names at the bottom of this page. Because the B vitamins are not stored well by your body, you need to eat foods every day that contain these vitamins. Such foods are milk, meat, whole grain breads and cereals, and nuts. Most vegetables contain B vitamins. You already know that not enough vitamin A will cause your eyes to hurt in bright light, but a lack of vitamin B can cause the same problem. If your scalp and eyebrows are dry and scaly, if you always feel tired, or if your growth is slow, you may need more B vitamins. Take a look at our bumblebee. Look at him juggling all the different B vitamins. That's a lot. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some things vitamin B does for us. The first one, it helps our body to use protein to build new tissue. It also helps our body to change food into energy. It's going to help with the digestion of our food. It's going to help with our body's growth, so it grows at a normal rate. B vitamin also keeps your blood healthy. It's going to also keep your gums healthy and prevent tooth decay, which is rotting teeth. It's also going to help your skin around your eyes and mouth feel smooth and healthy. And lastly, it's going to help your heart and nervous system, and it's going to help them work properly. Now let's go ahead and turn the page. We want to be on page 38, and we're going to go ahead and start at the top with vitamin C. So for vitamin C, for many weeks at a time, sailors at sea used to eat only salted meats and dry biscuits, never any fruits. Some sailors had sore mouths, gums, and even sores that would not heal. Their hands and feet even became swollen. These sailors became restless and could not eat. Many of them died from the disease called scurvy. Towards the end of the 1400s, scurvy became the main cause of deaths for sailors that were on long sea voyages. Vasco da Gama, an explorer from Portugal, sailed around Africa to India. He started with 4 ships and 160 men. When he returned home, about 2 years later, only 60 men were left. 100 men had died from scurvy. It was not until the 1700s that a cure for scurvy was found. Dr. James Lind, A doctor in the British Royal Navy became concerned about how many sailors were dying. In wartime, England lost more sailors from scurvy than they lost to the enemy. Dr. Lind finally found a sea captain who always returned from voyages with healthy men. This captain fed his men lemon juice, along with, on the other page, along with the salted meat and dry biscuits. Through his experiments, Dr. Lind discovered scurvy was caused by a lack of fresh fruits and vegetables. He proved it could be prevented and cured by eating citrus fruits or drinking the juice from them. However, it was over 40 years before citrus fruits were given to the British sailors. As long as the sailors ate citrus fruits on long voyages, none of them died from scurvy. Dr. Lind discovered in the 18th century that scurvy could be prevented and cured, but it was not until the 20th century, nearly 200 years later, that vitamin C became known as the cure. Scientists now know that vitamin C is an important vitamin. Like vitamin A, they believe it can help prevent cancer. It helps the body in many, many ways. Food containing the most vitamin C are citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes, and their juices. Many other fruits and vegetables contain some vitamin C. Strawberries, cantaloupe, broccoli, green peppers, Brussels sprouts, tomatoes, green leafy vegetables, raw cabbage, sweet potatoes, cauliflower, and potatoes. You should not have a problem eating enough vitamin C because the foods containing it are delicious. Because vitamin C is easily destroyed during the cooking process, raw fruits and vegetables contain more vitamin C than canned, cooked, or frozen ones. To keep the vitamin C from being destroyed, it is best not to prepare fruits and vegetables until just before you are ready to use them. You need to eat several fruits and vegetables every day because your body cannot store vitamin C. Do you have bruises on your arms or legs? If you do, you may need more vitamin C. Do your gums bleed when you brush your teeth? Healthy gums do not bleed. Sufficient vitamin C, which means enough vitamin C, vitamin A, and B vitamins will keep your gums healthy. A lack of vitamin C may cause injury to heal slowly. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what are some things vitamin C does for us. It helps our body to resist and fight infection. It helps heal cuts, scrapes, burns, and broken bones. It helps keep your gums healthy. It is necessary for the growth and development of strong bones and teeth. It helps form the material that holds the body's cells together. And lastly, it helps change food into energy. Now, if you turn the page on page 40, I printed out for you your comprehension questions. Go ahead and complete that, and that will conclude this assignment. Thank you guys. See you later.